Yo, we live.
Oh, it's time for another VoroMotors Community update, I suppose. I'm Trevor, and this is the December edition.
3, 2, 1.
As far as the inventory goes, we are about to receive the RS Midnight. However, InMotion is currently rolling out their new LCD firmware update, so we just have to make sure that they're compatible with all of our units before we ship them out to you. But I promise that you'll receive it before Christmas. The RS Midnight is also going to be available over in Turkey at Dynamo Ride. In the UK, the RS Midnight and all of our scooters are available at Beyond PEV. They're opening their store in Northampton, so make sure you go check them out. So if you're an international dealer and you want to carry any of our products, please feel free to contact us. All this talk about turkey is making me think about all the leftovers that I have from Thanksgiving. No? That was such a dumb joke, guys. I'm so sorry, but I had to. Anyway, a couple progress updates on a few new products that we have coming up. First up, for the Roadrunner SE, we're still in the designing phase as we're trying to make sure that we keep the high standards of the Roadrunner lineup. And as for the joystick throttle, we're in a similar boat where we're still in the designing and testing phase. And make sure you keep your eyes peeled because we're going to be rolling out more joystick content soon. Now let's go down to the tech center and hear what Levin has to say.
What's up guys, Levin here. A little bit of a repair center update. In the last 2 weeks, we're down 30% in repairs, which that means we're doing really great. I know you guys have questions in our last community update about our in-house battery repair. If you're in LA, you can bring your battery to us and we will try to diagnose it and repair it for you. If you're not in LA, we are currently discussing options for you to deliver your batteries to us safely. As soon as we have a solution, we'll let you guys know.
We're dealing with technical difficulties. All right, hold on. That's better. On the website side of things, we just implemented a brand new live chat system that you can find right here. This will ultimately help out our customer service team to be more efficient and effective for you guys. We kindly ask you to please be a little patient with us in the beginning as we're still working out some of the kinks, but we're always live 24/7 to help you out with any questions or problems you may have. Now I'm gonna hand things over to Melvin to introduce you to the Builders program.
So this month, we just launched our new Builders program. Who is this Builders program for? If you have 3 to 5 years of experience building one-of-one unique electric scooters for the community, you are having challenges trying to order parts and components, battery packs, motors, this is a program for you. You gain exclusive access and pricing on all of our original parts and components. Instead of ordering straight from China and waiting a long time and hoping you might not get screwed along the way, we're opening our resources to you guys. What kind of products you can find on our Builders portal? You can find the Roadrunner titanium front fork, 5000 watt motors on the Tronic, Ryan curved throttle, LG battery packs from Carbo, Samsung 50 battery packs from Duotron, and more components that you cannot find in the market will be released on the portal very soon. I'm super excited to see what you guys can build on top of the platform we are creating.
Gosh, this view never gets old. So in Hawaii, we're releasing 5,000 watt motors that'll be compatible with the Roadrunner V2 as well as the Roadrunner SE in the future. Also, Hawaii PEV just launched and they're doing group rides every single weekend. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you go check out their Instagram, and big shout out to Hans and Jay for running the show. In New York, even though winter is upon us, we're still open for repairs every single day. And inclement weather means that you have to take extra care to properly maintain your battery. So make sure that you're charging it at least once a week. And speaking of New York, it's been a minute since I've been back to the East Coast, so Mike and I are planning a trip to come visit the Brooklyn location at some point in the middle of December.
Yeah, that's right. As you can see, I'm already wearing my coat getting ready for New York, so come hang out with us guys, and we're potentially gonna have a group ride.
Yes, sir. And don't worry, we'll have more details to come, so we'll keep you guys in the loop on the timing and the dates with everything. And we'll be documenting everything, so we're gonna have a ton of content for you all. Make sure you stay tuned. Yes, sir. And quick update over in Australia, we now offer a new payment method called Zip. This allows you to break up your payments into chunks without owing any interest. And that's all we have for our VoroMotors locations, so let's hear from Melvin about our service centers, because I hear that there's something brewing down in Temecula.
Another new update that we just started working with a new service partner down in Temecula called Kinetic PEV. Shout out to our guy Tiago. He has came a long way since watching tutorials from our YouTube channel on how to repair electric scooters to now running his own full service repair center for electric scooters. And up in Canada, we are now working with Smart Wheels Canada, a full service repair center for all electric scooters from Duotron, Carbo, eMove. Shout out to Cash. He is going to start working with all of our electric scooters in terms of servicing, post-sale service, and maintenance. If you are a customer of ours in Canada, feel free to check them out. If you want to be like Thiago and Cash to run your full repair service center, apply on our website. I will drop the link on the description. Quick update on the factory. This month, we are installing the first ever automated assembly line in our factory. No more seeing wooden benches installing our 4,000, 5,000 electric scooters. This helps us better manage our process to improve the quality from the factory to your doorstep.
Well, that's all we have for this month, so thank you for following along. And we're also doing a 2023 recap at the end of this month, so you better make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget to like and comment, and until next time, happy riding.